On October 21, 2024, a tragic train collision occurred near Llanbryn Mawr in Powys, Mid Wales, resulting in 1 death and 15 injuries. The crash involved 2 Transport for Wales trains, one travelling from Shrewsbury to Aberystwyth and the other heading from Machynlleth to Shrewsbury. The incident happened around 7:30 p.m. and both trains were involved in a low-speed collision. Emergency services, including the British Transport Police, fire and rescue teams, ambulance services and the Coast Guard, responded swiftly to the scene. One man lost his life and his family was supported by specialist officers. Thankfully, the injuries sustained by the other 15 passengers were non-life-threatening, and all the remaining passengers were safely evacuated. As investigations are still ongoing, the cause of the crash has not yet been determined. However, early theories suggest the possibility of a wheel slide, which might have affected the train's ability to brake properly under certain conditions, particularly in adverse weather or poor track conditions. Given the complexity of train systems and the risks involved in managing such networks, investigators are expected to examine factors like track integrity, signal operations, and weather conditions on that evening. They will also likely analyse the black box data recorders from the trains, inspect the braking systems, and interview witnesses to determine whether operational errors or equipment malfunctions contributed to the incident. This collision is a reminder of the importance of maintaining rigorous safety standards and constant vigilance to protect passengers on railways, especially in areas where conditions may be more challenging, such as rural stretches of track like those in Mid Wales.